The baseline of visual characters must be at least 40 inches above the finished floor or ground. Signs located above circulation paths must provide a headroom clearance of at least 80 inches. A non-glare finish is required, and characters must contrast from the background, either light on dark or dark on light. In this example of a sign stating visitors must sign in, a low level of contrast between the character and background colors is not as readable as a higher level of contrast. Unlike tactile characters, visual characters can be upper and lower case. They cannot be italic, oblique, script, highly decorative, or of other unusual forms. Comment on some signs may be subject to different requirements in the standards. This sign, for example, notes the name and title of an office occupant, Jill Smith, Director. This portion of the sign is not required to meet any specifications since occupant names are exempt. Below the name and title is the term Accounting Department, which, in this example, is considered informational and subject to requirements for visual characters. Beneath this is noted the room number 403, which serves as the label of a permanent room or space and must meet requirements for visual and raised characters, including Braille. The other content of the sign can be tactile as well, but this is not required. The requirements for visual characters and for tactile characters can be satisfied on separate signs. In fact, duplicate signs are necessary to label certain exits. Life safety and building codes address the visibility and illumination of exit signs. These requirements typically must be met separately from the tactile signs required by the ADA and ABA standards at exit doors serving exit stairways, exit passageways, and exit discharge. Where raised and visual characters are provided on separate signs, the tactile sign does not need to meet requirements for finish and contrast. Also, raised characters can be 1/2 inch high instead of 5/8 of an inch.